I'm at the Wheatfield at Gettysburg, which is behind me. The Wheatfield is a place at Gettysburg where there was very savage fighting on the second day of the battle, July 2nd, 1863. The Wheatfield is located on the left side of the Union defensive position on Cemetery Ridge. From the Confederate side attacking this way, it is on their right flank. The Wheatfield was defended initially by a lot of men from Sickles' 3rd Union Corps, but as the fighting got so intense, a lot of men got rushed in from the 2nd Corps and the 5th Corps and a lot of different elements. The Union command knew how important it was to hold this position because it's one of those areas where if there was a breakthrough, it could have shattered the whole Union line. And from the Confederate side, it was also very important to get as many men in here as possible because it was a great opportunity to break a hole in the Union line and then to basically disrupt and break up the whole Union defensive position. Behind me, you can see Little Round Top. From the Confederate side, this was mostly men from Hood's and McLaws' division in Longstreet's Corps. Like I said, a little bit from the Union side, and it's true for both Union and Confederate. There were a lot of different men that got from different units that got plugged in here. So you have to really do a deep breakdown of exactly which units were there. But generally speaking, you could say from the Union side, it was 3rd Corps reinforced by the 2nd and 5th Corps. From the Confederate side, it was a little bit of Hood's and McLaws' division of Longstreet's Corps. In terms of, as I mentioned, it's on the right flank of the Confederate side, the left side of the Union defensive position. And it was very savage fighting. It changed hands several times. It was somewhat of a confused action. It wasn't clear exactly who was in control at different points, which is why there was so much effort from both sides to get additional forces into the mix and try to gain the upper hand. But it's also on a crucial position in the battlefield because it's basically right in the middle of everything, if you will, because like you have Round Top and then you have Peach Orchard and then the center of the Union line near where as you're approaching Cemetery Hill. So this is the Wheatfield at Gettysburg, and the fighting here was on the afternoon of July 2nd, which is the second day of the battle.